If you're a Haitian immigrant who's eligible for TPS, which is temporary protected status, but you cannot afford to hire an attorney, I'm going to show you how to apply for TPS on your own. If somebody could duet this in French and Creole, I'd really appreciate it. There's two forms that you're going to use. The first form is the I-821. That's the form where you're actually asking to be designated as a TPS recipient, where it's legal for you to remain in the United States. The second form is the I-765. This form is where you're applying for a work permit. There are two very important things on this form. The first one is where you apply for a social security card, or you give authorization for DHS to release your information to get a social security card, because you need a social security card and the work permit in order to accept employment. The second important thing is the part that asks for your code or your eligibility on which you're eligible to seek the work permit. For temporary protected status, that code is C19. Now, if you're from one of these other countries, temporary protected status is also available, but it's going to have different eligibility dates, so you definitely want to check with an attorney before you apply. When you submit your application, you need to include your passport or some other government-issued document showing that you are a citizen of Haiti. And you also need to submit documents showing that you've been in the United States for the required amount of time. These can be medical records, lease records, utility bills, anything that has your name on it and the date and the address that you were living at to prove that you were here in the United States since the required time. If you are comfortable with asking questions publicly, you can drop them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. I'm very sorry that your community is being targeted, and I wish the very best for you.